and we'll dive right into the next topic, which is future products and value chains. So the way that we design, build, and bring products to market is really changing fast. New materials, new technologies, and new players are actually reshaping value chains across many different industries. And in this next block, we will actually have 3 keynote speakers, so one after the other, hearing different insights on where the transformation in new products and value chains is heading. So starting with the first keynote speaker, who will speak about where mobility begins, we shape the future. So we have some touch points with mobility again, even though we're on the cross-vertical stage, but that's also going way beyond. So please welcome with me on stage Andreas Wörsdörfer, Director Portfolio Strategy at Huf Group.
Hello together. Why is mobility so important for us? Why is it such a big topic? Because mobility enables us. It's empowering us. It gives us a chance to go beyond our limits. And it makes it possible to bring people from A to B or things from A to B. Clear. But first of all, you need to enter the car. First of all, you need to have access to mobility. Do you know how to open this car, this classical car? Everyone knew it, because it was intuitive. There is a handle you can grab, there's a button you can push, and there's a physical cylinder that provides access to that car. Very nice. The relationship in those days between car and driver was clearly defined. It was a more or less one-way message. Lock, unlock, going and grab. Now the relation changes from car driver and car to user and device. That's the new world we are in. What is a relationship in general? It's a relation between human beings, between human and machine, and specifically between the human and the car. What will happen in the future? The software-defined vehicle architecture is going to bring the empathic car to the streets. And it will not longer be a one-way. It will be a really relationship, a communication between the user and the device. So for sure we can give signals, we can give commands, but the car will react, it will interact with you. There will be communication based on the latest and greatest technologies that are assembled, such as ultra-wideband, Bluetooth Low Energy, or NFC. But what is going to happen? Those kind of innovations, they are not always intuitive. Thinking about door handles that are completely clear in the surface integrated and you don't see it really. Sometimes you need user guidance for that. Sometimes you need to show the people where a hidden function is. And that is the challenge and the task and also our luck. Huf is focusing on access and authorization, and our job for the future innovation is to make those innovations intuitive. That's important. Because where is the emergency opener? Where is the NFC interface? Sometimes we don't see it, but we need to know how to interact with the car. And to visualize that, we have a proof of concept available with company E-Ink. We have a booth over there, and one application where we provide that kind of user guidance to an innovation is a color-changing door handle that you can look at on our booth. And later on, we will pitch on the anniversary stage also furthermore about that with E-Ink together. So if you would like to discuss with us the future of access and authorization for cars and this kind of human-machine interface that need to be new defined, then we are ready to go for that. Thank you very much for your attention and have a great time here on the Expo.